Hello guys and welcome to Creative Process DIY. My name is Vadim and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace AC filter.
Replacing your AC filter on time is crucial for maintaining indoor air quality, improving energy efficiency, and extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. As you can see, this filter has an app that will send you a reminder when you need to change your filter.
Before replacing AC filter, turn off power to the AC system.
You can do it on thermostat, or you can turn off power to the AC system in the electrical panel. Locate the filter. The filter panel is typically found on the side, top, or bottom of the blower cabinet. It might be a door or panel that slides or clicks open. So this is the access for my filter on air handler I have. And now I need to open this door. Remove the filter and inspect it. If there is obvious buildup of dirt or dust, or you cannot see the light through the filter, it's time to replace it. To determine your AC filter size, check the current filter for printed dimensions. You can also measure the existing filter or measure the filter compartment. There are many different filters to choose from good, better, and the best. And as you can see, I have a good one. The air on the filter indicates the direction the air should flow through the filter. Placing the filter with the arrow pointing in the wrong direction can hinder airflow, forcing the system to work harder and potentially damaging it. If you don't know how to place correctly your AC filter and you don't know the direction of your airflow, here's a small tip for you. I'm gonna take a small piece of paper, really flexible as you can see, hold it tight when the AC is turned on, and this way I can see the airflow direction. Now we can start installing the filter. Do not forget to turn off the system before installing the new filter. As you can see, it is nearly impossible to install it when the AC is on. Now it's a good time to write a date of installation on the frame of your filter. As you can see, this company recommends changing your air filter every 3 months. However, I change my filter every month. Carefully slide the new filter into place with airflow arrows oriented properly. Close the air handler cabinet door. And restore the power.
If this video helped you, hit the like button, consider subscribing to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.